Establishing the connections among the elements that we've discussed brings us to the various models of communication. The first model shows that communication before was perceived to be sequential and one-way in nature. That is why this model of communication is called linear. It means that the message moves towards a single direction only. Some of the prominent models that show communication as a linear process are the Aristotelian model, Amberla's model, or the SMRC. The former has three elements only: the speaker, message, and the audience, while the latter is comprised with four basic elements: source, message, channel, and receiver. The interactive model contains an important element that is not present in the previous models: feedback. After a message is encoded and sent to the decoding receiver, the roles are reversed. The receiver encodes and sends the response to the original sender, who then becomes the new receiver. Schramm's model of communication is a perfect example that shows the existence of feedback in this process. Aside from the linear and interactive models, there is the transactional model, which is said to be the most accurate representation of the communication process. An important characteristic of this model is the simultaneous roles the communicators play, since messages can be sent back and forth at the same time. This depicts what normally happens in face-to-face conversations, where one responds to the other person even while the latter is still speaking. For example, through facial expressions and gestures. The transactional model, as illustrated by Wood, shows how communication works with the element of simultaneous feedback.